Are you wondering the quickest way to apply for Supplemental Security Income or SSI benefits? My name is Caitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. Today, we're going to talk about the quickest way to apply for SSI benefits. The quickest way to apply for Supplemental Security Income or SSI benefits is to apply online directly with the Social Security Administration. Before submitting your personal information, you'll want to be sure you are on the Social Security Administration's website at ssa.gov. The online application process will allow you to complete some of the necessary forms and provide some of the required information electronically, which may potentially speed up the processing time. Once you submit the application, the Social Security Administration will begin to evaluate your application and ensure that you do not exceed their thresholds for income and/or assets. They will also request your medical records to review to determine whether you have a condition that is disabling according to their rules. After they review the evidence in your file, they will make their initial finding of disability. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.